I'm sorry, but cleaning absolutely sucks. It takes so much time and it's an absolute hassle. You could probably agree, and that's why you clicked on this video, huh? Well, I'm so glad you're here today because I'm going to share with you an affordable cleaning product that you absolutely need in your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Aaliyah, and today I'm going to be doing a product review on the Swiffer duster. If you decide this product is right for you, click that link down below and go to officecrave.com, where you can find a variety of products for all your business needs. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. I honestly could not live without this heavy-duty duster. To assemble the duster, you simply line up the handle with the grooves and click into place. Make sure you give your duster a good fluff before you use it. You can see there are two spaces to slide the end of the handle into. We're gonna slide all the way to the top. I love how the dusters remove dust so easily. You don't need any water or cleaning solution. The 360 degrees of specially coated fibers trap and lock the dust in one pass. The Swiffer duster attracts dust, hair, and fur from just about any surface with its trap and lock technology. It also has an extended handle so that you can reach those hard-to-reach places. I'm short, so this comes in super handy for me. But for tall, hard-to-reach places, there's a super extended handle that can reach up to 6 feet. You absolutely need this for your home or office business. I hope you like the Swiffer duster as much as I do too. If you're interested in solving your business problems, go head on over to officecrave.com, where you can stock up on all office, cleaning, and school supplies, as well as other office products you'll need to run your business. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please go like this video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time!